Are you looking for a way to block someone on Facebook, or you have blocked someone and looking for a way to unblock them? In this video, we will show you how you can block someone from your Facebook profile and also how you can unblock someone on Facebook from iPhone. Now first, let's check out how you can block someone. Open Facebook. Now you need to go to that person's profile. For this video purpose, we are blocking someone from our Facebook friend list. You can block anyone you wish. Just be on the person's profile. Tap on the three dot icon. Tap block again, and the person will be blocked and you won't be able to see that person again. Neither that person will see you. But you might ask, if you can't see the person, then how would you unblock them? Now let's check out how you can unblock the person you have blocked from your Facebook profile. Open Facebook app. Tap on the three-line icon. Tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Blocking. Now you will be able to see the people in your blocked list. Tap Unblock beside the person you want to unblock. You will get a pop-up. Tap Unblock, and the person will be removed from the blocked list. Now keep in mind, the person you are unblocking, you won't be able to block them for at least 48 hours again. This is the way you can block and unblock people on your Facebook from iPhone. Thanks for watching the video. We hope it was helpful. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment box, and thank you.